Hello, my dear friend. Today we are going to make a flower. So, are you excited for the activity? Well then, let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see a beautiful flower right here. All we have to do is complete the instructions and start making our flower just like this. At first, let's start by making a very light circle in the middle of the paper. Now, hold the book in such a way that you can actually make a proper light circle on the outer side so that all the petals are of the same size. Let's make this circle nicely and slowly. Yes, we need to make it a little lighter so that we can erase it later. Let's make these 4 dots and then start making our petals. Yes, we have to make big and fat petals. So, can we do this together? This looks lovely. Continue making the other 2 petals as well. That is great. Let's make the other side now. This looks lovely. If you want, you can make it a little darker now so that you know which petal to sketch. Make it nicely. That's great. Now we will start making the stem of it. Yes, it is going to be a little thinner at the top and a little fatter at the bottom. Lovely. Let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching. Let's go very slow while drawing this and complete the entire flower. Wow, this looks beautiful. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see and then start coloring this. This looks amazing. We are going to start with a lighter color at first, which is a light pink color. Now you know the drill. What do we start with first? Yes, the outline. And then color in one direction. Well, if you notice, we have to color this a little lightly and keep a few white spaces in the middle, as this is how it's shown in our book. So, let's try and copy that. We will try and give our flower a grainy texture, which means these small dots are shown in the middle. And that will only happen when you don't press your color much on the paper. This looks amazing. Let's take a darker pink color and make these lines. You can take a magenta color or a maroon color as well. Try and take the exact shade which is mentioned here. And look, our lines are ready. Can we start coloring inside now? Yes, in a circular motion. And look, this is amazing. Well, let's take our green color and color right here. This looks beautiful.